What's going on, guys? My name is Todd. Welcome to No Shirt Drift. On today's episode, we got... Where is he? Riley. Woo. Riley here again. We're going to be working on the Cefiro. Since we last did a video on it, after he blew the engine up, I think the end of the video was him like pulling the engine out. He has done a factory rebuild with like ARP studs and stuff like that. He's done some skids in it. It's all running pretty good. I'll take a little walk around the engine bay and what he's changed and that sort of stuff. But today we are welding the diff and putting new coilovers in it. He's got some like old from the like 2000s JIC coilovers in the scene which just came with it, but he's bought some brand new BC Golds for it, so we're gonna be slapping those in as well. Yeah, stick around, check it out. Show me the box. Show me the goods. Whip out the freshies. Come on. Oh, this is exciting stuff. Oh my God, there's nothing better than new car parts. Give me that one again, mate. We need thumbnails. No. Come here, buddy. We haven't seen it since you pulled it out. What have you done to the engine? Just the engine itself, like the block. Like, what did you do?
Oh, RB25 DE blocks.
Yep.
No oil squirters, just because that's what I could get.
Cheap. It's cheap. Like, 25s are expensive at the moment.
Nitto crank collar, build all pump gears, new rings,
Yep.
stock pistons, all that shit. PRP, oil restrictors, and I've also got a Ross Racing oil drain in the head.
Oil restrictors. What's that? That's to stop the head from filling with oil at high revs.
Yeah,
hey.
they're like a carby jet almost that you just put in the block.
Yep.
They just are a smaller hole.
Yeah, and it stops the issue that RBs have where they just push all the oil to the head. Is that right?
Also gives you more oil pressure, which RBs like.
Yeah, exactly. They don't like low pressure. That's bad. But in terms of like exterior stuff, you've put like this Freddy on it.
Yeah, cheap manifold.
Cheap manifold. You kind of regret it, don't you?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Not too bad. It cleans the bay up heat. Like that. It definitely makes the bay look better. But
except for the fact that the bay is like full of Rileys dirt.
yeah. He went for skids. He went for Matsuri stuff. But yeah, so it running sweet. We just need lows now, don't we? That's the one issue. Oh, what'd you do?
I did a Ross Racing trigger kit and...
That's right. Good stuff. Because the casters in these just scramble hard, don't they?
Yeah, like bad.
Yeah. And you get to like high revs, high power, they're just not efficient anymore.
Yeah.
So.
And some other little stuff, but I've just basically worked on reliability.
Yeah, that's exactly it. So, ready to roll on the streets. Now, what is it that we need from street cars that this just doesn't have? Low. We need to be low. It's a monster truck. I wish I had got the shot of it on the street.
Yeah, it's not great. I can like...
Riley, can you back it out?
No.
I want to get a side shot. I want to do like before and after.
So
Come on, bud. Let's just do it.
That's so much.
2 seconds, bro.
Fight me.
Oh, no. Okay, I'll just film it from here. Look, we got wheel gap for days. This is because Riley's a sook, a broken indicator. The back's the worst, I reckon, because it's got adjustable arms and it's got 0 camber. So not only is it high, but these it's just not as much as what you'd get from naturally lowering one of these things. But yeah, look at that shit.
Yeah, and there's also like big gaps.
Yeah. So we need some low. We're gonna like nearly tuck rim, I reckon, in the back. Bit of reverse rake. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I can fit my whole last foot in there. It's not good enough. It's fucking pathetic.
Pathetic. All right. Why are we changing these coilovers again? I have no idea why. What the fuck, bro? You can resell these, right?
Don't film it without
What?
me knowing.
What is this?
Oh, it's a bolt.
What is this? What
know.
is this finger tight bolt?
It's probably important.
Is it? Because it's not attached to anything. Alrighty, just out. Now it's a viscous. Well, actually, no, that viscous cap is on this, so that actually might not be a viscous.
Or
that
might
viscous
still be a factory
cap. Oh, true. Yeah, it might be a factory GDR. This cover's a GDR cover.
We think.
I'm sure it is.
Yeah,
I didn't
think
think
it is.
I don't know that much about the R200s, but I thought the extra capacity with the fins was a GDR.
That's what I thought. I think so. I still think.
Look, no matter what it is, it's getting welded. Yeah. So, nice.
Very small windows to get to it.
We ain't welding this bad boy. I didn't know these were completely encased. So we can't work out what this diff center is. We googled CAS, GDR, Cusco. We can't figure it out. It doesn't, like, none of them look the same as this with these little holes in it. But either way, it's not getting welded because, I mean, we don't know what sort of diff it is. We're just like, you can't weld it. That's all there is. Yeah, we're just gonna do some coilovers, eh, Riley? Sweet. He's just gonna have to keep doing peggers.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. I
It
mean,
does- it does it in seconds.
Yeah, it'll do it fine, but every now and then it'll just spit a wheel. It's a bit annoying, but old coilovers coming down. That boy. Get him. Oh, dude. No.
Fucking what?
It wasn't even. No.
That's the shock.
Hey, man, can
And
you
it's
just quickly
falling
replace
out.
your springs? No, dude. Well, these were due for a replacement, huh? Why? No. We put it in like that. Put it in as it is, and then we put it on the ground and see how much we need to go lower.
No, we go to the floor and we see how much we need to go higher.
Up to you, buddy. We can sack them. I don't care. All right. We've put the weight of the car just on this corner, and it is just... It's too low. Depending on what you think too low is. I reckon maybe 20 mil higher. All right, so we went up 20 mil from where we had it just then. It's just way too low. Riley had 15 mil spaces for it, but it turns out that they are Toyota threads, so we can't put them on, which sucks because it filled the guard out. So we'll throw these wheels on, and then we'll get to the front. We're kind of just winging it with this height here. We'll just test to see what it's like, see if we can match it up to the rear. I mean, that's pretty good.
I think that's it.
I think you're set there. That's pretty good height there. You'll be able to you'll hit the guard just with steering, but I mean, that's what you want, really. That's fan belt, idiot. Oh, that's awful. That looks so good, dude. Tighten your fan belt. Rear fitment is disappoint. But nah, it looks sick, man. It looks so much better low. Damn.